go through it. What are we doing here?
We're doing a walk-in shower, brick set, bullnose, bench seat, penny towel. One of the most difficult things with this shower was the format of the tile. It's an uneven product. We had to manipulate some of the grout lines to get things to kind of fit the way they need to.
What about the shower pan?
The shower pan is penny towel, 12 by 12 sheets. It's a difficult product to work with as well, but
Why is it difficult?
Penny towel is on sheets. They're not very compromising, so we have to manipulate the grout lines, kind of make things work when they don't want to work.